What's up, team? Whoa, today was crazy, man. We had a roller coaster ride. Wow, that was crazy, really. I mean, the week was a little bit hectic for me. We had a music video. I was in Amsterdam. I was not at home, so I was not in front of my screens. Couldn't trade the week, but I had one swing on gold. I had one swing trade on gold, and yeah, I've held it too long. I was too patient with it and took around 5% loss. So the week started very bad. Okay, and then today I started my trading week on Friday, which is funny. So yeah, I've traded today. I've traded on gold, USDCAD, and Dow Jones. My analysis on USDCAD was good, but my stop was too tight. I was pulling my stop loss. I was tightening my stop loss too early, so I got stopped out on that one. But after that, I saw another opportunity to get in again. So wait, let me show you the trades of today. So can you see this? So it started with USDCAD loss because I got stopped out. I was pulling my stop loss too early. So, and then after that, took another loss on gold, and I've scaled in on gold a few times, and I've just lost it all. I was not patient enough with this one, but yeah. So the day started with around $360,000 loss. Okay, a $360,000 loss plus the 5% loss, which is $250,000. So I was around $600,000 in loss for the week. But then I had this USDCAD trade where I was after I got stopped out, I was getting in again because I saw bullish pressure, and I saw bulls stepping into the game, and so I decided to scale in big time. And then I saw it was moving in our favor. Then it came back for a retest. Then I was scaling in again and again. So I really scaled big time on USDCAD, which was great. I think I made around 300,000 on USDCAD. And then I had Dow Jones. I had one trade in Dow Jones yesterday, and then today I was scaling in again. As soon as I saw that the beer stepping into the game, I was scaling in. So when I saw it was moving in our favor, I was scaling in big time. And now we ended up the day from a $380,000 loss. We turned it into $245,000 profit. So we are overall nearly break even for the week, which is great for me because it was just crazy this week. It was a big roller coaster ride. If I was a little bit more patient on gold today, I would have made a big profit, but that's part of the game. You gotta take the loss. So yeah, I have to take the hit, and I'm so happy that I can relax my weekend without a big weekly loss. And yeah, I hope that you've banked on the trades today as well, as I've shared all of them in the group. And I'm sorry for the gold trade. It was a bit hectic because I was getting in 3 times in a row in around 1 hour or something like that. It was a little bit hectic, but anyways, I hope that you guys all do your own thing. Don't just follow my trades blindly. I mean, I share my entries, exits with you, but you have to do your own thing. You have to do your own analysis and all that stuff. Because at the end of the day, you are the one who is pulling the trigger, and it's your money. So you gotta have a plan, you know? I mean, I can help you with my trading style, I can help you with my strategies, but at the end of the day, you gotta find your own way. That's very important, very, very important. Because maybe you your personality is different, so your strategy is different, your approach to the market is different, the things you are looking for is different, you know. So yeah, anyways, I'm happy to end the week, and next week we're gonna smash it big time. And I think I'm gonna make 2 giveaways for the weekend for you guys, because some of you are not able to afford the course fee, and so I'm running giveaways on a regular basis for you guys, because I want to give you all a chance to become part of the Genius Trading team and to join the inner circle and learn our strategies and money management systems and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated in the Telegram channel, and yeah, make sure to check out the links in the description below, so you can check out the Genius Trading Masterclass Course, and you can join the free Telegram channel where I post my results, where I share some free analysis, where I share some trades, where I share some student feedbacks and some knowledge and all that stuff. And yeah, follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, that's it. You had a profitable week. My week, like I said, my week started on Friday, so I had just one day. It was a big roller coaster ride, but I made it and I'm happy. And yeah, now I can relax. And have a great weekend. I wish you a great weekend too, guys. Peace out. And that's my house, guys. Ooh-wee!
You